Every time I see a place where there's suddenly there's only locals, like it's a super touristic place, but suddenly there's only locals. I don't know, for me it's a sign to try. Like you must be serving, just the local stuff. That's what I'm after. It's like a sausage, cheese, pickles, beetroot. Oh, very good, very good. Today we are leaving Fethiye and then we're going towards Guchek, but not quite. We're gonna stop here at this spot. It's called Inlice Halk, Plaji. And then let's see some details about this spot. First of all, protection. So tomorrow it is, it's got good grades all in all. Just tomorrow at 6, the wind is coming from the side that it's open, but it's not a strong wind, so I guess it's gonna be fine. But generally it looks good. Seabed mud, and then 8 reviews with 4 stars. Let's just see the depth people are talking about. About 5 meters, 10 meters, 5 meters, so between 5 to 10 meters. Let's look at the weather. We are the blue dot, and then we're going here. And now it's 12, and until 3, it's coming up to 17 knots, and this is gust, but I guess it's going to be around 22, 25 knots. When we get there. Afternoon it's getting quiet, and at night there's no wind at all, so we're preparing for about 20-25 knots at the peak of this day. And the journey there takes about 2 hours. It's about 10 nautical miles, and yeah, that's it. Let's go. 2 hours sail. The good news is that the direction of the wind is usable. It's going to be from the side, and then hopefully we can create some speed with the wind. And then short sail today. I would open just the jib.
With the back anchor, but when the wind turns from that direction during the night,
You don't turn, only me turn.
Yeah,
I understand.
okay.
Alright, so he says, yeah, he's got an anchor on his back, so if I turn, if the wind turns, yeah, you got it. I think it's gonna be fine here.